Hein, 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 hein. For example, ui, ui, ui. Hello everyone. Hello everyone, my name is Avika and in this video we're going to learn abbreviations. An abbreviation is a small group of letters that represents a larger word or a larger phrase. Let's start. The first one is PS. PS. Postscriptum. Postscriptum. That means written after. For example, PS. Don't forget to drink a glass of water before you go to bed. The second one is ASAP. As soon as possible. You might also hear it as ASAP. ASAP. For example, do you work ASAP? The third one is FYI, for your information. For example, FYI, the ticket says it starts at 9 a.m. but the speakers won't be able to reach until then. The fourth one is VS. VS. Versus. Versus. And you have to say the full form. Versus. Versus. You might also hear it as was. 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 For example, Chennai Super Kings was by Indians. The fifth one is ETA. ETA. Estimated time of arrival. For example, what's your ETA? I'm about 20 minutes away. The sixth one is DIY. DIY. Do it yourself. For example, are you doing DIY craft projects? The next one is BTW. By the way. For example, by the way, I like movies. The next one is BYO. Bring your own. For example, BYO paint or BYO juice. The next one is GBY. God bless you. If there's somebody's birthday, so you can say GBY. God bless you. The next one is TBH. To be honest. For example, to be honest, you should like this video, subscribe to my channel and drop a beautiful comment below. The last one is SMH. Shaking my head. For example, if somebody says to you, I just went through The last one is SMH, shaking my head. For example, SMH, I made a video and forgot to upload it. These were the abbreviations. You should see them once. You should practice them once again because then you can learn them. Thank you. Bye bye. Meet you in the next class.